What if I told you that you can change a value inside a Python list without creating a new list? For example, imagine a student's marks change from 80 to 95. Do we have to create the entire list again? No. In today's video, you'll learn how to update list elements in Python, one of the most useful operations you'll use while working with lists. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned how to create lists, access elements, slice lists, perform list operations, and traverse a list. Today we'll learn how to update or modify elements in a Python list. So what is updating? Updating means changing an existing value in a list. Suppose we have this list. If we want to change 80 into 95, we don't need to create a new list. We simply replace the existing value. The first line creates a list named marks containing 3 values. Marks of 1 refers to the element stored at index 1. Remember, Python indexing starts from 0. So at index 0, we have 70. At index 1, the value is 80. And at index 2, the value is 90. This statement replaces the value 80 with 95. The list now becomes 70, 95, and 90. Let's take one more example. The element at index 2 is mango. We replaced it with orange. Now let's update more than one element at the same time. Originally, the list contained the values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. The slice numbers 1 through 4 includes the elements at index 1, 2, and 3. That means it selects 20, 30, and 40. These 3 values are replaced with 100, 200, and 300. Now the list becomes 10, 100, 200, 300, and 50. We can replace the list values with fewer elements. The slice from 1 to 4 selects the values 20, 30, and 40. These 3 elements are replaced by one element, which is 99. The updated list becomes 10, 99, and 50. We can also replace list values with more elements. The slice 1 colon 2 contains only the element 20. We replace that single element with 3 new values. The updated list becomes 10, 100, 200, 300, and 50. This shows that slice assignment can even change the size of a list. So today we learned updating a single list element using its index, updating multiple elements using slicing, replacing a slice with fewer elements, and replacing a slice with more elements. That's all for today's video. Now you know how to update elements in a Python list using both indexing and slicing. In the next video, we'll learn how to add new elements to a list using methods like append, extend, and insert, and understand when to use each one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so you don't miss the next Python tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!